Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Yes, so before I head to work, today is actually my day off. Actually my day off, but I have other works to do and another job to follow up. So I'm just taking you with me for the day. And this is one of the best and the beautiful corner during the Christmas time, and even when it's not Christmas. So yeah, it's beautiful. It's Christmassy. And then of course I just need to go to treat myself. It's a treatment, self-treatment, and I really like this because this is my second time and here we are. And I have this courage to take off my jacket and then lift my arms up. Guess what? And of course, as a girl, I love to browse and go around and look at search for my shoes, but I couldn't find it because I really wanted a shoes which was in my mind, but I couldn't find one. Then again, just went to all the brand stores, just a window shopping, window browsing, and everything looks so cool. Especially the holidays are coming, the Christmas is coming, and everyone is trying to buy something to their loved one, husband, wife, friend, or children and parents. And everyone is so busy buying. I don't know what they are buying, but yes, they are buying something. And all the brands looks amazing. So I love to do all the eyebrow shopping or like window shopping. And you can see there are very less people in the food court because it's not lunchtime yet, but I'm already hungry. But I want to go back to this beautiful place where I can explore with all the brands, even though I'm not buying anything because those are freaking expensive. So who would want to spend this much money when you are not earning that much? And of course, the Zara is one of my favorites. So where you can see all the beautiful colors and very attractive. I always stop by just to see and look around, and I really need a blazer. Well, this is me recording. So yeah, I really need a blazer, but all the blazers are like so big and I can't really fit into it, and I'm too small. And in the middle of the city, there is always this performance going on, especially at this time, the holidays and Christmas. So there are lots of choirs or the bands and the singers. They would just come there and then entertain people, entertain the shoppers, entertain the people who are just walking around, or the people those who are having bad days or having a lazy days or having a browsing days. You just name it. Everyone is having fun. And plus, I especially don't like accessories, but well, I like necklaces and rings, but I don't like to wear just to wear. And I want to wear something special by someone. So obviously I don't have it yet. So yeah, I'm just browsing it because those are so cute. And plus, this is the store where my friend used to work. And I thought, well, I should just go and stop by and say hi if she's working. So I was just looking everywhere, but she isn't there. Well, she wasn't there. And I didn't even text. And I was like, hey, just surprised her, go and say hi to her. But then not. I didn't see her, but I saw all this beautiful, colorful clothes, which was really attractive, but I didn't buy any because it always reminds me of my wardrobe. Then back to this lovely corner Christmassy vibe place. This is one of the beautiful corner where I visit every year during the Christmas. It's just in the middle of the city in between the stores, and yeah, look at this light. It's amazing. And December is one of my favorite month and a festive one. And the one and only, the lunchtime and the Thai restaurant. This is amazing. This is one of my favorite and all the time place. And I always eat rice and pork, roasted chili pork. It's so yum. Yeah, you just so good. And it's so delicious. Oh my goodness, this is like Thai street food, so it was like amazing. Every time I am hungry, I think of it and I crave for it. I just go there and eat it. I really enjoy my own time, so just go there by myself and then eat whatever I want, do whatever I want without rushing. So yeah, me time is always the best time for me, and I really appreciate that I allow myself to go through everything by myself and enjoy it and appreciate whatever is happening in my life, even though sometimes there is ups and downs. But yeah, who doesn't have those phases? So yeah, it's just part of life, and then I'm just trying to appreciate everything and acknowledge everything. And unfortunately, my battery is down, so I had to go somewhere to find a charger. Well, the good thing is wherever you go, you can find this, especially in the malls. So I just went to find it and then charged my phone before I head to my work. Where everybody was eating, it's nearly lunchtime and my work is in like 1.5 an hour, so I still have time to charge my phone before I head to my destination, because I always need to check my Google map before I head to the place. However, luckily my friend is in the city, so he said he can drop me to work, which was great. I don't have to change any buses. So yeah, here I have another coffee. Oops, just kidding, it's not for me. Well, I made it on time to my work, and my client wasn't there on time, so I had to wait for like 30 minutes. And then I went to the receptionist and said, hey, can you please check on my client, because I couldn't see her or him and I don't have any details or contacts because we're not allowed because of the confidentiality. Well, you must be wondering why I am wearing this kind of clothes, because it's my profession. I have to wear something formal, even though it is great. So I made everything on time. I made my client, and I'm just back to the city to see my friends in crime. Yeah, because she has booked 2 tickets for Avatar and 3D 2 ticket because it's my birthday tomorrow. So we're just gonna spend some time before heading to watch movie. We are going to eat some food, yummy food. And then we bought this big bucket of popcorn. I'm not sure we're gonna finish this one or not, but we did. And here she is, all time, my friend. So she's the one who booked everything for us for tonight, and it's so weird with this outfit, but yeah, I'm glad I finished my work. And where we are watching 3D Avatar, and it's just the beginning, so there are not many people, but I can see people coming in, and I think it's going to be a full house. So we are going to enjoy the movie, and I'll see you guys next time. Stay healthy and fit. Take care. Bye.